Good morning, everybody. 10:30. I think today's over. Garbage trade day. So what we need to do to get bullish today was clear the range, clear 6,700. Where are we at? Oh, there it is. 60. I can't speak. 7,700. People should be used to that anyway. There we go. We need to clear 7,700. We failed to do so. Easy way of doing that would have been popping up here, setting a higher low off prior all-time high. Them pushing. Our failure to do that means we are just going to chop until NVDA earnings. The bottom of the chop range is likely probably around right here and right here. So 7,660, 7,676. And it's not going to let you in when it breaks out later. If it does break to the upside, it's going to go like here, then it'll chop, and then if it does decide to break here, it'll just go if this is swept out. Okay, so there's nuance here, but I know people are going to ask about it later. So if I'm not here, understand this. If this wick is swept out at 7,660, then this break is longable. Okay, because that means there was a bear trap first. If there is no sweep, you need to see 7700 cleared and then put in a higher low to chase it, and then you still might miss it. Okay, so not a lot of good trades today. Those are the two things you need to see. Please understand that. Please understand that a sweep and a break is easier to play than just a break, unless that break gives you a higher low after. It's always going to be that case. Okay, Bitcoin is just chopping. We don't care. It probably is going to come lower. I don't know. It's just really boring. Riot. Yep, it's forming a chop range. We don't really know what the flag will look like, but we should be used to flags by now because that's what all this stuff does all day, every day. Mara, same thing. Big flag. We got the flag highlighted right here. Some probably from 11 to 12. Give or take. Give or take. AMD. I think that AMD, I don't know on this one. I don't know if it's ready or not. I'm just going to wait till after the NVIDIA earnings because I think it could make another low, but maybe it doesn't. Maybe it just reclaims this flag directly, pops up high, comes, and then gives us a higher low later. Enter. If you want to play AMD, I don't know yet. I think we have to wait. Coin is tracking Bitcoin. Upstart's doing fine. It's just flagging forever. Same thing as everything else. Meta, I don't know. This is a good reason not to chase news on Meta. So to get back into Meta, you need to clear 607. It will do so eventually, but clearly it's just bull trapping people in, getting sold off on repeat. I think SpaceX is going to pop here when the market does. MFlix looks good. Looks like it's retracing everything. We are looking for a buy on MVAX when it comes down to around 820 now. It hit the upside for anybody who is in some sort of scalp. This is in the MVAX channel, so we don't need to cover it twice. We think Apple's going to go higher to about 350. Palantir looks like it's good to about 195. Okay, hopefully that's enough for now. Ran through everything I could as fast as I could. One last word of warning, guys. This is bullshit. Don't play this with leverage. Don't do this to yourself. They will resolve this, and you will know, because if you just zoom out and say, hey, this is my chop range, which anybody can do with a highlighter and a 4-hour chart even, you can see exactly where you're at. Where's my chop range at? Here it is. Okay. I know that if we're right about our thesis here, we will break to the upside of the chop range. We will either do that by sweeping this low and breaking it or setting a higher low off of it. If I am wrong, we are going to lose this chop range, and we are going to play a false breakdown of this exact same range later. It's that simple, guys. And then, you know, it might get boring because we've been in this chop range for 4 days. But guess what? That's the administration we have. That's the chart we are given. Your swings are better trades. It's just objective fact, unless you like playing chop. If you like playing chop, enjoy yourself. If you don't, we have no directional bias other than saying with the high time frame trend, which is up, but we have not hit the criteria we need to see that yet. So highlight this on your chart. Just do exactly what I said, and you should be good to go for the NVIDIA earnings.